the Msvcr110.dll blocking your PC's performance. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the recovery of your runtime environment. This DLL file is the Microsoft C Runtime for Visual Studio 2012. It contains standard C functions for string handling and exception processing, required for software built with the 2012 Visual C++ compiler. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. Your first step should be a manual reinstall of Microsoft Visual C++. Head to the official Microsoft site, download the x86 and x64 Visual C++ redistributables, and install them to update the system files. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Msvcr110 file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. A quick professional note on security: sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Keep in mind that the Msvcr110.dll must be properly registered with the Windows registry. Simply dragging and dropping the file into a folder rarely fixes the root cause of the error. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. Take the guesswork out of library management and reclaim your system's stability. Click the link below to access the repair tool and synchronize the Msvcr110 today. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing Microsoft Visual C++ was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.